Welcome to Steve's World UK. Today I'm in Anaheim in California. So today the Best Western Plus, known as the Anaheim Inn, is part of my world. So the hotel is on the Harbour Boulevard, literally just opposite from the main entrance of Disneyland itself. So come with me as I take a hotel and room tour of the Best Western Plus. So I'm inside the room. So just on the right hand side, you've got a comfortable seating area, complete with table, bedside table and alarm clock. Here is the absolutely massive bed. And then immediately opposite the bed, you have a comfortable desk area with telephone. And a big storage unit complete with large TV. And this cupboard here, you have a microwave. And a fridge. Just around the corner from that, you have, I guess, what they call the vanity unit. With tea and coffee making facilities and the ice bucket. Air conditioning. And then a very large wardrobe. Complete with iron and board. And finally, the bathroom. So this room is on the ground floor, so it is for all access. It's the walk-in shower. And toiletries. So nice selection of towels. Something new, a telephone in the toilet. Just over there is the outside pool, complete with jacuzzi if you fancy a dip. A hot and cold breakfast is served up in the breakfast room, up on the 3rd floor. Complete with balcony. So this is the view from the balcony breakfast room. And just over on the right hand side, you can see the entrance to Disneyland. So I'm now outside the hotel, literally walking up Harbour Boulevard, just to show you how close Disneyland is to the hotel. And the entrance is literally just over here. So about a 3-minute walk, and from the entrance you can just see the spires of Space Mountain. So that's going to do it for today from the best Western Anaheim Inn hotel tour. So don't forget to like, subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on further great adventures visiting Disneyland California. Until next time, be safe, be good, be kind and be careful. It takes 24 hours for the world to turn once, but only 2 seconds to like or subscribe to see great future content from Steve's World UK.